This is magical bond. And this is the rosemoss tower. It is a fantastic DIY rosemoss idea we made just for you.
Wow!
Keeping everything easy, low cost, low effort, and simple steps, but full of magical look and beauty. To make it successful, we just need a healthy plant, some rope, and a frame for the tower. I use a stick and reused plastic products. Step 1. Gather your magical tools. To start, you just need a simple things: a healthy rosemoss plant, sharp scissors, some rope or thread, and a tower frame. I use this stick and reuse round plastic rings. Simple, cheap, and eco-friendly. Step 2. Select and prepare the branches. Pick a few long, soft rosemoss branches from different plant. Remove the lower leaves. This helps the stem connect better. These are going to be the heart of our magical bond. Step 3. Create the bond. Lay the branches side by side and tie one end softly. Ready? 1, 2, twist. We twist them gently, not too tight, just enough to form that rope style pattern. Step 4. Secure and shape. Tie the stems softly with a thin thread or wire to keep them in place. Step 5. Plant the tower. Now plant your bonded stems in moist soil. Give them light watering and place them in full sunlight for 5 to 6 hours daily. Step 6. Trim extra leaf and add new layers as the plant grows taller. Over time, it will form a crown shape, and when it blooms, red, yellow, and pink flowers mix together like paint on a green canvas. And there it is, the magical bond rosemoss tower, made with low cost, low effort, and 100% recycled creativity. If you loved this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves plant too. Now go make your own magical bond rosemoss tower.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.